Pomegranate Mojito is healthy, delicious and easy to prepare mocktail. Pomegranate juice contains higher level of antioxidants as compared to other fruit juices. It's high in vitamin C that aids in digestion and also has anti-inflammatory properties. With a sweet pomegranate juice twist on a classic mojito, this drink is highly refreshing. Ingredients required are 60 ml pomegranate juice, half lime cut in wedges, optional sweetener to taste, 6 to 8 mint leaves, 250 ml soda water or ginger ale. Place lime wedges, sweetener and pomegranate juice in a tall glass. Muddle until all the juice has been pressed out of the lime. Give the mint leaves a gentle press a couple of times with the muddler. Add plenty of ice to the glass and top with soda water or ginger ale. Stir well and garnish with pomegranate seeds, mint and lime. Your refreshing pomegranate mojito is ready.
DPMI सिर्फ शिक्षा हुनर ही नहीं बल्कि सम्मान के साथ सुनिश्चित रोजगार।
Thank you, DPMI.